Welcome to Belfast, a city with a troubled past and a bright future. This is World Travel Guide, and today we will show you the only divided city in Western Europe. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland and its largest city. It is the second largest city on the Irish island and is situated on its eastern coast. The city, which has a population of 350,000, is renowned for its rich industrial heritage, history and culture. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Belfast was a significant port and industrial hub that was important to the Industrial Revolution. It is a cosmopolitan city with a lively music and arts scene, and has a number of historical sites and cultural landmarks. Belfast has a long and illustrious past that goes all the way back to the Bronze Age. It was a tiny Gaelic settlement at first, but as a hub for the wool trade during the Middle Ages, it became more significant. Belfast developed into an important port and industrial centre in the 18th and 19th centuries, and it was crucial to the Industrial Revolution. Belfast expanded quickly during the 19th century, growing to be one of the biggest cities in the region. The city developed into a centre of trade and industry thanks to its reputation in the shipbuilding industry. Belfast played a significant role in the Troubles, a long period of sectarian warfare and violence in Northern Ireland. There were many explosions and acts of violence in the area, and the city was sharply split between the pro-Irish Catholics and the pro-British Protestants. Belfast has transformed into a much more peaceful and friendly city in recent years as a result of a process of peace and reconciliation in the late 1990s. While the attacks and killings have ended in the late 1990s, some divisions and tensions still remain. Despite efforts to address these problems and encourage greater integration and reconciliation, there are still some parts of Belfast where tensions are higher and sectarian segregation is more obvious. Recently, the city has seen major redevelopment and regeneration, which has contributed to its transformation and brought different people together. Several peace walls were built during the Troubles to divide the Catholic and Protestant districts and reduce violence. These kilometers-long walls, which were constructed of brick, metal or other materials, frequently reached heights of several meters. Although it sounds incredible, these walls still exist today. However, they are seen as a sign of hatred, and efforts are being made to remove or normalize them. While some peace walls have already been taken down, others are being converted into public artworks. Titanic Belfast is a modern museum located in the heart of the city. It is dedicated to the Titanic, the famous ocean liner built in Belfast that tragically sank in 1912 during its first voyage. Located on the site of the former Holland and Wolff shipyard where the Titanic was constructed, the museum is housed in a contemporary structure designed to replicate a ship's hull. The Titanic's construction and history, as well as the city's industrial and maritime past, are covered in 9 interactive galleries. The Belfast Murals are an important collection of political and historical murals. They depict a variety of subjects, such as Northern Ireland's history, the Troubles, and the peace process. The paintings are a notable aspect of the city and are well liked by both tourists and locals. They are primarily found in working-class areas and are often regarded as a reflection of the history and culture of the neighborhoods. Many of the murals were created to express political and social viewpoints during the Troubles, and they are still used as a forum for discussion and public expression today. Belfast once held its prisoners at Crumlin Road Jail. This former prison is currently a museum and a popular tourist destination after being in use from 1845 to 1996. The prison is renowned for its Victorian design and illustrious past. During the Northern Ireland conflict, many political prisoners were held here. It is classified as a Category B listed building and is considered as a structure of local architectural or historic interest. Public guided tours of the prison are available and take guests through the various cell blocks as well as other parts of the facility, such as the chapel, exercise areas, and governor's office. The tours offer a look into the prison's past and the life of the inmates who were imprisoned there. The Belfast City Hall is a magnificent structure that is situated in the downtown area of Belfast. It is a prominent tourist landmark and serves as the residence of the Belfast City Council. The City Hall is renowned for its spectacular architecture and opulent interior, because it was constructed in the Edwardian Baroque style in the early 20th century. A unique opportunity to learn about the history and architecture of the building is provided by the City Hall's guided tours, which are available to visitors. The magnificent staircase, the Lord Mayor's Salon, and the Council Chambers are all included in the tour. The City Hall is host to a number of intriguing exhibitions and displays. HMS Caroline is a historic naval vessel and one of the main attractions of Belfast. It is the last remaining ship of the Royal Navy's Grand Fleet and a surviving example of a warship from the First World War. The vessel, which was constructed in 1914, served in both the Irish War of Independence and the First World War. The ship is currently a museum ship and a popular tourist destination in Belfast after being decommissioned in 2011. Guided tours of the ship are available to the general public, and they take guests through its many rooms, including the engine room, the crew's quarters, and the bridge. The Belfast Castle is located on the Cave Hill, a basalt hill that dominates the city, and it provides beautiful views of the region. The castle, which was constructed in the late 19th century, is very popular among tourists. It is renowned for its beautiful interiors, which include plasterwork and stained glass windows, as well as its Victorian architecture. Numerous public meetings, events, and weddings take place here. The castle also has a cafe and a restaurant, both of which provide a variety of foods. Huge gardens surround the castle and are a favorite place for strolls and picnics. The Cave Hill Country Park is located on Cave Hill and spans about 140 hectares. Numerous hiking routes weave through the park's woodlands, grasslands, and along the cliffs with views of Belfast Lough, making it a popular hiking destination. In addition to the already mentioned Belfast Castle, the park is also home to the Napoleon's Nose Rock Formation, a popular location for photography and rock climbing. Red squirrels, bunnies, and many bird species are among the fauna that call the park their home. The park also provides a variety of recreational opportunities in addition to hiking, including bird watching and picnicking. The St. George's Market is a huge indoor market in Belfast. With a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century, it is a popular tourist destination and a centre of local activity. From Friday to Sunday, the market is open 3 days a week and sells a variety of things, including fresh vegetables, fish, crafts, and other items. It is renowned for its lively ambience and wide range of food stalls, serving anything from traditional Irish fare to cuisines from around the world. On weekends, there is often live music and other activities. The St. George's Market is a fantastic place to learn about the regional culture and cuisine. The Ulster Museum is an important museum of art, history, and natural history. It is one of Belfast's most visited tourist attractions and is located in a modern building within the city's botanic gardens. The museum's collections cover a wide range of artistic media, from sculptures and paintings by Irish and foreign artists to decorative items and antiques. The Ulster Museum's exhibitions on Northern Ireland's history and culture include displays on the area's natural history, as well as its archaeology and geology, in addition to its art holdings. A number of interactive exhibits about the Northern Ireland conflict can also be seen at the museum. The best time to visit Belfast depends on your personal preferences and the types of activities you want to do. If you want to attend the city's renowned festivals and events, such as the Belfast Film Festival and the Belfast Festival at Queen's, spring is a fantastic time to travel there. With an average temperature of roughly 20 degrees Celsius, the summer is Belfast's warmest season, and you should take advantage of the longer days and enjoy outdoor activities. Although the winter in Belfast can be very chilly and rainy, this is a good time to experience the city's markets and take in the festive mood. We hope you enjoyed our tour. If you loved this video, hit the like button and subscribe.